So this is a question we're going to be doing today. Take a minute, pause video here, and read the question yourself. Okay, so now that you're done reading the question, let's look at our options here. Option A updates the application load balancers network ACL to accept only HTTPS traffic. Now the problem with this is that this will actually block all HTTP traffic instead of forwarding the request to HTTPS. So A is definitely not good. B will require modifying the application code or server configuration to perform URL rewrite. This is not an optimal solution as it adds complexity and potential maintenance overhead. Moreover, it also does not leverage the application load balancer's capabilities for handling HTTP to HTTPS redirection. So B is not good. C. It's a common practice to forward the HTTP request to HTTPS backend to improve security. Accepting requests on HTTP port and redirecting to HTTPS is the correct way. So C is a very good answer. But before we make a decision, let's look at D. Well, D replaces the application load balancer as a network load balancer and configure to use a SNI, where this is just way too complicated and way too unnecessary and definitely not required for this question. So C is going to be our best answer for this question. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.